checking the temperature on the stone. Oh, that's hot. Let's get this in. So that's gone really hot really quick. That's good. Saves energy. And I've got to turn this down, because I never cook full flame on the Koda 12, only because I've tended to burn pizza full flame on the Koda 12. I cook normally on 3/4 flame, but the dial's at the back and I can't see what I am doing, so I'm just guessing that's about full flame. Half flame, 3/4 to half flame, I mean. Oh, right, yeah, I've got a few pizzas on order here, and I like them quite small and plain cheese for this one. So that's what I'm doing. Check it. Ooh. Gosh, I think that's done. I'm just going to do a little bit more, just that bit there. Just give that little edge. It's done other than that. Done. Ooh. Pizza number 1 done. Second pizza coming up. Let's check the temperature first. Yeah, it got to 517 in the center of the stone just now, so I had to turn the pizza right down. Pizza oven. It was just too hot. So I'm going to keep it a bit like that, actually. Let's do it. La la la. And it's getting a bit warmer now. It's 2 degrees Celsius. And this is my second pizza on order. Ham and cheese. I think this is a bit low. Oh. Turned it up a bit. I'll be there all day otherwise. That's better. Turn it. I don't know what's going on with my dough today. I think it's because it's so cold. My dough is cold and it's doing strange cold dough things. So at least it's not windy, which makes a change. have a look. What am I doing? Now, I'm not sure if this is actually a round pizza, but it doesn't matter because a person I'm making it for doesn't mind what shape it is as long as it's pizza. So that's good. A little bit at the back there. Okay, this misshaped pizza is good to go. Ta-da! Second one. One pizza for me of the 3. The others have gone down well. They've enjoyed them. Going to get this in. And I have forgotten my pizza peel. I gotta run and get it. Yay. How's it going behind there? I can't really see. So I'm gonna just turn it now in case. It was pretty ferocious earlier in a strange sort of way. I think it's not the oven, it's my dough. It's not really, it's very cold and that doesn't help. So it's a turn don't burn day today. I don't care how many times I turn it, as long as I don't burn it. Pretty much this is nearly done. Done. Just checking the back. Maybe a little bit more there. Should we just do a little bit more there? That's better. It's all freezing cold outside. When you heat nice hot warm pizza. But I think this came out really nice. It's got loads of bubbling on it, and I stretched it to like the point of where I couldn't believe there's actually any air left inside it. But you know, I stretched it so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching me make pizza for my family, and things don't go perfect all the time. The dough is very cold. That's the way it is. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.